So I'm the social prescribing project officer for the Outdoor Health Project, which is run by Dyfi and Coed Lleol in partnership. And the aim of the project is to work with local GP surgeries and other organisations to provide free outdoor activities for people with physical or mental health issues or people who are feeling socially isolated. And we find that the benefits of these outdoor activities is that people find they can socialise in small groups which are not overwhelming, and the environments are therapeutic, so they're in a safe, contained space, and they find comfort and ease in that kind of freedom as well, to engage as much as they want to.
I'm Yori, and I first started doing these sessions, and before I was stuck in the house and couldn't physically or mentally get out through the door, and I had a relationship with my children's mother for 20 years, and that finished, and I kind of shut down for about 3 years and didn't go out the house, thought very dark thoughts, and it was Mind Woodland Group that actually got me out the house after 3 years. During the pandemic, they helped me lots on the phone, and then when the lockdown released, Mind couldn't go to the woods, so they put me in touch with Sean, and so I joined this group, and I get the taxi from town, which is a big thing for me because transport is quite difficult to go on buses and stuff, so that was the initial thing that was good, that I had transport. And then came here, and just meeting people with the like-minded and feeling safe has enabled me, after 3 years of having found it very difficult to leave the house, and to be able to concentrate on doing whittling and foraging, and it's been better for my mental health to be with people, and it has been a lot easier, and knowing that on a Tuesday that I can go somewhere safe, and being with lovely people and lovely teachers. Gareth and Jeanette have taught us loads, and their knowledge of things has been brilliant. So as the weeks have gone by, I've come out of myself a lot more, and it's been really good.